Hello, friends. Welcome back to your daily English speaking practice. Do you want to learn English for real life situations, like visiting a doctor or clinic? If yes, then today's lesson is perfect for you. In this video, we will practice English in 4 simple steps. 1. Listening, practice. 2. Vocabulary, building. 3. Question and answer. 4. Shadowing. Practice. So, let's begin your journey to speak English naturally and fluently. Part 1. Listening practice. First, listen carefully to a short conversation at a doctor's clinic. Try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch every word. Just focus on the idea.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see the doctor, please.
Do you have an appointment?
No, not yet. Can I get one now?
Sure, please wait in the lounge. The doctor will see you soon.
Hello, please come in. What's your name?
Hello, doctor. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. What seems to be the problem?
Doctor, I've had a headache for the past 3 days.
I see. Do you feel dizzy or weak as well?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired and can't focus on work.
Do you also have a fever?
Yes, a mild fever.
Are you sleeping well at night?
Not really. I wake up often.
Do you spend long hours on your phone or computer?
Yes, almost the whole day. I work on the computer and watch videos at night.
That could be the reason. Too much screen time causes stress, poor sleep, and headaches. Don't worry, it's not very serious. Here's my advice. Drink plenty of water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Reduce screen time, especially at night. Eat healthy food. Take this medicine for 3 days.
Thank you, doctor. Should I come back for a follow-up?
Yes, if the headache doesn't improve in 3 days.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Take care and get well soon.
Part 2. Vocabulary practice. Phrase 1. What seems to be the problem? Meaning, a polite way a doctor asks about your health issue. Example, what seems to be the problem today? Phrase 2. Mild fever. Meaning, low temperature, not very high. Example, I have a mild fever, not too serious. Phrase 3. Follow up. Meaning, a second appointment after the first treatment. Example, the doctor asked me to come for a follow-up next week. Phrase 4. Get well soon. Meaning, wishing someone a quick recovery. Example, I sent her a card that said, get well soon. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Now let's check your understanding. I'll ask you some questions. Try to answer before I give the correct one. Question 1. What was the patient's main problem? Answer. He had a headache for 3 days. Question 2. Did the patient also have a fever? Answer. Yes, a mild fever. Question 3. What was one reason for his headache? Answer. Too much screen time and lack of sleep. Question 4. What advice did the doctor give? Answer. Drink water, sleep well, reduce screen time, eat healthy, take medicine. Question 5. What does follow-up mean? Answer. A second appointment after the first treatment. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat the sentences after me. Try to copy my tone, pronunciation, and speed. Practice sentences. I'd like to see the doctor, please. What seems to be the problem? I've had a headache for 3 days. I also have a mild fever. I don't sleep well at night. Too much screen time causes headaches. please come back for a follow-up. Take care and get well soon. Great job! You completed today's English speaking practice at the doctor's clinic. Watch this video every day to gain confidence in real-life conversations. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and useful English practice videos. Stay healthy, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class.